Electrical parts. Access. Make sure that the machine is switched off. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the 2 screws in the back of the right side panel. On the bottom left is the inlet for the power cable, terminal strip and earth connection. In the bottom right, it's possible to identify the transformer to power the control unit and group gear motor. A little higher is the electronic control unit, and further to the left, the microswitch to open the door. The tools required are 5mm Allen key, Phillips head screwdriver and cross head screwdriver. Transformer. To replace the transformer, remove the output wiring using a flathead screwdriver and the inlet fastons. Use a 5mm Allen key to remove the screw securing the transformer. Board. To take out the electronic control unit, disconnect all of the wiring and the 4 screws securing the unit to the frame. To reassemble and connect the wirings, follow the electrical schematic.